Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2018 LDV D90 Deluxe, stock reference number 5093. This shape runs from the 11th month 2017 and is the current shape. It has a 20L4E 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by an automatic all-drive transmission. The 20L4E 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. We have the right-hand headlight, left-hand fog light, left-hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage, left power door mirror, left front 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left front door has one small dent, left rear door appears to have no damage, left rear 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left-hand tail light, left tailgate garnish, rear bumper cover, factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets and loom, right tailgate garnish, right hand tail light, right rear 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right power door mirror, and a right front 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, black leather center console, automatic type, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, factory touchscreen, display screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.